Hey guys, this is me Ammar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design DS18B20 temperature sensor. Click on File, New Project, name your project, hit Save. You will find two folders, Schematic and PCB. Double click on Schematic. Once you double click on it, Schematic editor will open. Now we will update this information in the sheet. So for that, I will click on File, Page Setting. Then from here, I will fill the basic information. Hit OK. Now we will add the component in the sheet. So for adding the component, you can use the shortcut key A or you can click here, place symbols. I will search here DS18B20 and from here I will change the footprint. I'm gonna select this one, double click on it. I will place it here. So for placing, just left click on your mouse. Similarly, I need a resistor and capacitor. So for that, I will again use the shortcut A or you can just left click on the sheet again. You also need a connector. R for rotation. For wiring this you can use the shortcut key W or you can just click on the edge of the device. Alright, we will also add some power flag. So for adding the power flag you can click here, place power symbols. Search here ground. Again we need VDD also. And this is our signal. So for that I will attach a label here. So for adding a label you can use the shortcut key L or you can click here. Alright, now I will update the value of these devices. So double click on it. Alright, now schematic seems completed. Now we will assign the footprint. So for assigning the footprint, you can click here, assign footprint. We have capacitor. So for that, we will look for the capacitor SMD and we will select 0603. Then we have connector. So for that, I will go here for the pin header and select horizontal one. We have resistor. So for that, we will look for resistor SMD and select 0603. Then after assigning all the footprint, apply, save schematic and continue and OK. After that, go for the layout editor. So for that, double click here, switch to PCB layout editor. Once you click on layout editor, you will find this window. So you need to import all the devices from schematic. So for that, click here, hit PCB. After importing the component, we will design the board outline. So for that, what I will do, first of all, I will select the edge cut layer. Then after that, make sure to keep the grid size about 1 mm and the mechanical dimension of this module is about 12 by 20 mm, right? And then I will move all these devices inside this board outline. So for moving the component, you have to select the device, and for precise control, make sure to reduce the grid size. And for placing it here and there, you can use the left button. By pressing on your mouse you can place it here and there. So I will arrange all of them. For layout editor, we have to click here, edit predefined sizes. From here, add manual sizes like 0.3 mm and 0.5 mm. Hit OK and then select the front copper layer. Use this tool, route single track, or use the shortcut key X. From here I will select the 0.3 mm size. For VDD, I'm gonna change the layer. So for that, I will select bottom copper layer, again shortcut X. Now I will add few text also. So for adding the text, use the draw text tool and make sure to select the front silk screen. You can also change the font from here. R for rotation and place it there. I will just duplicate this one. This one also. Or click it. This is our down. Data pin also. Alright, so now we are done with the design. If I turn on the 3D viewer, so this is how our temperature sensor look like. So in this way you can design the DS18B20 temperature sensor.